Welcome back to Get Hired or Promoted in 3 steps. Now I'm going to teach you how to use templates to create your resumes. My name is Christine, and let's get started. I want you to rest assured that you're really only going to use basic skills to build your resumes. Using our templates, I will show you how to insert your own pictures and shapes, how to use text boxes within Microsoft Word, how to group and ungroup objects, and other basic editing skills. If you already know these skills, you may want to jump right ahead to downloading the templates, which I'll discuss in a moment. If you don't know these skills, I want you to relax. You will be able to do this. And also, just take a little bit of a step back and think about the fact that this is for you, so you're going to want to invest your time in it. I would average 3 to 5 hours for this whole process of creating all of your resumes. And I want you to move at a pace that works for you. If you are not familiar with the tools we're about to cover, remember, you can pause the video at any point while you're editing your template. You can also replay anything that I've done and watch it 10 times if that's what it takes to get the skill down. And you can also remember to use Google as a tool for your specific computer and software type. That's important because some of us are using PCs. I am in this video. Some of us are using Macs, and many of us have different versions of Microsoft Word. So if your screen looks different than my screen, just take a moment to Google your specific computer and software type along with the skill that we're using, and you'll probably find images or a video that will show you what your screen looks like for the same skill. It's probably not going to be necessary since, again, we're using very basic skills in this course. Now let's talk about the resume template. The templates are all made in Microsoft Word. I've also provided them to you in Adobe PDF. We are locating these files on a Google Drive, but you must download the files to edit them because they will not open properly in Google Documents within Google Drive. You really need to use them in Microsoft Word to edit them appropriately. That doesn't mean you can't use the skills in this video to create things in Google Docs or in Open Office. Any of those tools are fine to use and probably have very similar menus. Now I want you to pause this video and I want you to go to our template file. Just type in this address and you should find our file folder full of the resume templates that we're about to review. I suggest opening all of the files, and as I click through them, you can go to each resume that I'm talking about.